Hi there beauties, I'm Rika. Thank you for watching my videos. Today I'm going to unpack this item that I bought from Lazada last December 12, 2020, and it arrived just in time. It is a pendulum. By the way, a pendulum is a tool used by witches to access intuition. So I chose the black one. I am not really sure of the stone used in this pendulum, but it's black in color. So I actually paid 170.73 pesos, and that includes the price of the item plus the shipping fee. So let's take a look at it. It's just super small. There. It is covered with bubble wrap. It is actually still bubble wrapped. So let's check it out. It's very small. Look, it's so cute. Ta-da! It has this Chinese letters, but I don't understand them. It actually came from China. So sweet, but it's tangled. Anyway, I just have to untangle it. Okay, there you go, my sweet little pendulum. You like it, huh? It's cute. Okay, so if you also like this product, I'm gonna leave a link down below of the seller of this item. And that's all for now, beauties. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.